Hello, CEOs, founders, and marketers. Now that 2025 New Year is on the cards, have you tried to strategize what would be your strategy for the digital marketing in coming 2025? There are a lot of things going to happen, a lot of things going to change. I'm just giving you simple 4-5 tips which could revolutionize your marketing strategy. Starting with number one, the AI powered optimization services or AI centric marketing activities. What does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका सिंपल सा मतलब है कि आपके जो भी अब कंटेंट आप वेबसाइट पे यूज करते हैं, मार्केटिंग एसेट्स में यूज करते हैं, that should in sync with the AI machines or their process. It should understand because now people have been drastically using the content through AI tools. Your tool, your content on the website or on the marketing assets should match with those tools. The second part is now SEO has is been transforming to AEO, right? So the SEO would be taking a leap and moving on to AEO. What is AEO? Is simply that you have to again try to upgrade your SEO strategies using a lot more content into detailed form. So now you have to assume that you not only keep the transactional keywords, the short tail keyword, but also you'll have to include the long tail keyword in your SEO strategy. अब सिर्फ short tail keyword की ranking से काम नहीं चलेगा. To get the better rankings on your relative keyword, आपको long tail keywords उठाने होंगे, जिसमें I'm giving example that people might be looking for some services. They are not going to type keyword like hire SEO agency, but they might be researching more about how SEO works. So that is the difference. The third point which I'm insisting on, interactive content. Interactive content means that the static content is going to get out of the scene. अब static content का काम गया. Now you have to utilize those type of content which is interactive with the user, like polls are there, quizzes are there, some interactive campaigns are there which are like in form of storytellers, where user can interact with your content as the next go in 2025. So interactive content is a big thing that is going to evolve. The fourth point is the sustainable marketing. Be into service industry or the product industry or any domain you are in, ये समझना होगा कि अब हमको अपने बिजनेस के सस्टेनेबल गोल को भी मार्केट करना होगा. This is something why I've included in the pattern is a lot of brands are missing to promote their the sustainable marketing approaches or the CSR activities what they are doing from their brand to market it on the digital platform. Trust me, it is going to be one of the game changer in the marketing activities because CSR का contribution increase हो रहा है. Individual जो social workers हैं उनका contribution इंडिया में काफी ग्रो हो रहा है. Now the donation and everything has been observing a leap. तो क्यों नहीं हर एक ब्रांड अपनी एक CSR स्टोरी भी प्रमोट करना शुरू करे, एक उसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज और ब्रांड को प्रमोट करता है. The last one is augmented reality experiences. So augmented reality has shown a bit of improvement in 24, but in 25 it is expected that इसका utilization बहुत ज्यादा होगा, especially in the e-commerce industry. Right? The quick commerce has definitely changed the game of buying the things online, but again the e-commerce website are utilizing a more of interactive content, more of augmented reality content, something like it won't be limited to big brands like Lenskart was using the thing that you can try the specs online. अब ये सारे e-commerce brand को जो mid level के brands हैं या जो low level के brands हैं वो भी AR को अपनी reality में ले आए, अपनी websites पे ले आए, जहां वो user को online accessories, fashions जो भी वो सेल करते हैं उसको ट्राई करने का और एक्सपीरियंस करने का मौका दें. ये उनके सेल्स को, उनके ग्रोथ को डेफिनेटली बहुत हाई कर देगा. सो ये 5 टिप्स हैं जो मुझे लगा 2025 में जरूर से आपके ब्रांड को बहुत अच्छा डिजिटली प्रमोट करेगा और आपके कन्वर्जन्स को ग्रो करेगा. सो आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. डू कमेंट योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड योर स्ट्रेटजी फॉर 2025. विशिंग अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ.